Hey, welcome back to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and today I have another Amazon Fire Stick tutorial. And in this one, I'm going to show you how to install Paramount Plus on your Amazon Fire TV. So, this will work on a Fire TV stick and cube also. So, the first thing you want to do is come to the search icon here. This is a little spyglass. Then come down to search. Then input Paramount Plus. It should auto-populate once you put in a few words. So we can come down and select Paramount Plus. Now here, it will give you all the apps what match the search. We want Paramount Plus, so we'll select that. This will take you to the download page. You want to press this Get, and it will quickly download and then start to install. It should be relatively quick, around 1 minute to 2 minutes maximum. So once it's installed, you can press the launch here by pressing the 3 little lines. However, I recommend pressing the home button, then coming to My Apps, finding your Paramount Plus app, then pressing the 3 little lines on your remote control. This will bring up this sub menu. You want to select Move. Then you can move Paramount Plus into your favourites bar. These are the line at the very top. You can drop it. Then whenever you press the home button, Paramount Plus will be here at the very top. Then we can launch Paramount Plus straight away. And you can either log in or sign up directly here. If you found that helpful, don't forget to smash the like, hit the subscribe button for many more Fire Stick tutorials like this one. And thanks for watching.